Hey, welcome to the first video in the series where we see how we can keep using our equipment, starting off with passive speakers that come with this type of cable. These can be frustrating to work with because we're so used to working with speaker wire that has the exposed copper wire just like this, making it easy to mix and match just about any speaker with just about any amplifier. But that's not the case when this is in the way, right? Well, I can tell you that even though it looks very different, underneath that connector, you have the same technology, copper wire. That's what your sound's going to travel through between your amplifier to your speaker. So let's ditch the connector by snapping it off and access that copper wire by stripping the plastic coating away. Let me show you how, and then we'll do a sound test to prove our concept here on Simple Cafe Sound. Illustrated tutorials, short and sweet. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is simply snap off the connector. There it goes, and actually hang on to it just in case I need to reuse it. Now we need to peel away the plastic coating, which we can do with a razor blade, scissors, or maybe even wire cutters like these that make it super simple. Now I don't have a pair of wire cutters, so instead I've been using this other trick that I picked up. You see, the coating is made out of plastic, which we can easily melt away with a lighter here. Hold a good portion out so you can safely apply the flame to it as you begin to rotate it. Otherwise, it could actually melt onto the copper within. So let's stop and blow on it a little bit. And then eventually you'll want to go ahead and stick your thumbnail in there and start pulling away, see if it comes off now. If not, you'll just want to repeat the process until it does. There it is. Yoink. Now I can go ahead and plug this in wherever I need. First, I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other cable. Once both sides are ready, I'll plug them into the amplifier that I'm plugging into the wall first here. Okay, with the amplifier ready to go, here it is. We can now turn it around to access the speaker terminals that our speaker is now compatible with. I'm plugging the cable with the black line into the black terminal and the other one into the red. Okay, now that it's ready, we need to get some audio into our amplifier here, and we're going to do so through this iPad via Bluetooth. If you're interested in this power amplifier, you can check it out in the link down here. Okay, just ready for the Bluetooth to
Quiet on the set.
Sorry.
Your device is connected.
There it goes. It's synced up now. We're going to go ahead and play a song on our iPad. See, there you have it. You can still use speakers with this type of plug on an amplifier without that connector. Just make sure that the ohms number of your speaker is the same or higher than the ohms number of your amplifier. Hopefully this illustration I made will help you out with that, and you can take a screenshot if it helps. Here are some other videos you may also find useful. Like to help me, share to help out others, and sub to stay in the loop. You can even support directly with the YouTube thanks button. Hope you get connected, and I'll see you on the next one.